Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. I am Moena Battle. If you're new to the channel, thank you for tuning in, and if you're returning, you already know what it is. So today I decided to do a voiceover for this video. Today I will be showing you guys this 38-inch curly wig. I'm going to get into all the details. The details will also be down in the description box. So yeah, we're just going to hop right into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So as you can see, I am putting on my wig. I have already put on my cap. I'm not using the ball cap method or anything like that. But as you can see, I'm adjusting my wig. And the reason I decided to do a voiceover is because I did have my teammate over in my room this day, so she was just chilling in there. So I was talking to her. As you can see, my lips are moving. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and run through the video just because I didn't have a lot of time to do this wig before I had to travel out for nationals. Hopefully you guys have watched that video. It is literally the vlog that I put out before this video. So yeah, make sure you guys tune into that so you can see some of those clips. So right now I am literally just kind of prepping the baby hairs so that we can kind of like outline where our hairline is going to start, because you don't want to not pull out the baby hairs and then you don't have baby hairs. So yeah, you just want to go ahead and do that early on. If you guys need a guide on how to do your baby hairs, make sure you continue to watch throughout the full video. Even if you're someone new to wearing wigs, I would suggest that you watch the whole video so you can kind of see everything that I'm doing. If you do want a very in-depth video about wig installs, please comment down below so that I can get that to you all in a timely manner. But right now, as you guys can see, I am getting ready to install this wig. So I am using my very strong spray. And the name of the spray is the Wonder Lace Bond. This is by Ebin, I believe. It's their adhesive spray with extreme firm hold. And it's fast drying. It has no residue or buildup. It's 20 times stronger, I guess, to hold lace. That's what it means. And then it's sweat proof. And you guys, when I say I have worn this when I worked out and I tied my hair down, like, it is so hard to remove. Like, you can't even just remove this with water. You have to use some type of other substance to help remove it because it is so strong. But as you can see, I'm spraying on a couple layers. I usually do 2 to 3 layers, and then I go over it with a blow dryer each time. So you guys, our next step is to go ahead and use our elastic band. This is my first time using the elastic band method to go over top of my lace, and I have to say that it is the best method to actually melt your lace. But I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys a little bit about this wig. So this is a lace front wig. It does have T-parting if you ask me, even though it says it has I parting, which I've never heard of. It did come with natural baby hairs. It's pre-plucked, and the name of this hair is Shiloh. I did get this hair from the beauty supply store, you guys, the beauty supply store, and it only costed $50. So this hair is available in colors 1B, 2, chocolate, champagne, buttery blonde, and amber blonde. I did get the color chocolate, and it has HD transparent lace. This hair can also take up to 400 degrees. However, I will say that later on in this video you will see me using my hot comb on this hair, and I would suggest that you buy a hot comb that you can tell the temperature on, because I could not tell the temperature on my hot comb, and it potentially burned a little bit of the hair just because this hair is not fully human. I believe it has mixed fibers in it, even though I am still able to wet it and use products on it. So yeah, just be careful of that if you guys come across this wig. I'm not sure. I think if you actually go look for it in a beauty supply store, you might be able to find it. I'm not even sure if every beauty supply store has it, but the name of the brand is OUTRE, and I will put it on the screen. Hopefully I'm saying the name right. But yeah, that's pretty much the details on the wig, and I will be putting it in the description box as well. So you guys, the next thing that I like to do with my baby hairs is to go ahead and flat iron them / curl them upwards, just because it gives my baby hairs the look I want them to have when I lay them down. By the way, when I'm laying down my baby hairs, I either use the Got2b spray or I use like a foaming mousse to lay them down, just so they look soft, not crunchy. You don't want your baby hairs looking hard and everything in between. So I just like to go ahead and flat iron my baby hairs so that they're nice and flat, because the hair was curly. So make sure you guys take those little extra steps to make sure that your hair is laid and popping, because all of these steps definitely matter when it comes to making your hair look like it's real. So the next thing I'm using is the foaming mousse. If I can find it for you guys, I should put it in the description box, but I actually ran out of that mousse. I literally ran out of this mousse right when I went to nationals. It spilled in my suitcase, so I ended up throwing like the rest of the bottle away. So if I can find the name of the mousse, I'll put it in the description box for you guys, just because as you can see, it lays the hair down without like making it look sticky and residuey like some of the other products do. So I'll be putting that in the description box. So the next to last thing that we need to do is fix our baby hairs on the outside, just because these ones are actually made from the actual curly hair. They weren't pre-made. I had to go in and cut them, as you guys have seen. So we're gonna go ahead and flat iron them and curl them up in the same way that I did the top baby hairs. As you guys can see, my lace is blending in with my hairline so good, and once we tie it down again, you guys are not going to even be able to tell that it wasn't my hair in the first place. But as you can see, this baby hair is still super long, so I'm going to curl it overly so that I can go in with my razor and kind of cut some more of it off. You're going to see me do that on this side and also on the other side, just to get it just right. So this is the last step. I'm going in with some spray water, or I mean not spray water, you guys, a spray bottle with water in it. And as you can see, my lace is laid. You guys can't even tell where the lace starts and ends. So I'm just spraying my hair with water now, and then I'm gonna go in with a product that I really love to use. You guys probably have never seen me use it before, but it's called Soft Sheen Carson Carefree Curl Snapback. So basically it's called Snapback, but it's in a yellow bottle, which you're about to see me pick it up. This is called Snapback, and it's a curl restorer. It brings curls back instantly and reduces dryness and frizziness. So I'm putting y'all on right now. You can find this in any beauty supply store. This stuff will have your curls popping like nobody's business once it dries. So make sure you guys go to the store and pick you some of this up. I'll be linking it down in the description box as well, just so you guys can find it easily. And hopefully you guys love it just like I do. So loves, we have reached the end of the video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. I didn't traditionally do it how I would usually do it. I don't even know what I said. I didn't do it how I would usually do it, but as you can see, this hair is very long. Like I said, it's 38 inches. And y'all, I'm almost 6 feet tall. This is 38 inches on a 6 feet tall person. And y'all, I'm in love, but I'm not gonna lie to you. This was a lot of hair to deal with. So if you're gonna get some hair this long, be prepared to have your arms hurting. But yeah, it's flowing, y'all. Wait till it fully dry or whatever, okay? Y'all see I'm checking out myself, okay? Because I'm popping like that. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.